New York is known to be a very expensive city, but is it possible to live on a budget in New York City? We're gonna find out. Eating out can cost a huge chunk of money. I save a ton by cooking often instead. Neighborhood grocery stores are my go-to for food shopping in New York City. I especially love the grocery store in my neighborhood where all I need is right there, especially halal meat. And the best part is that this grocery store offers pretty decent priced items. Learn more about my favorite grocery store and how much stuff costs on average in my blog post. Link is in the description section. Okay, back to business. These are the items I got for the week. The total was $70. That is basically $10 per day. Let's see how far we can go with it. I enjoy starting my day with breakfast. However, during the work week, I like eating something quick like oatmeal where I can shove it in the microwave. My day isn't complete without a fruit of some sort. Of course, mixed with honey for sweetness, milk for creaminess, et voila, breakfast is served. Lunch is when I eat a heavy meal. Let's have a moment for those upset about what I just did to that spaghetti. Okay, shall we? Today we're having spaghetti, Alfredo sauce, veggies, and shrimp. Fun fact, Alfredo sauce isn't Italian, it's American. My work allows me to work on a hybrid schedule, so I come into the office a day or two per week and work at home for the rest. Alright guys, so it's lunchtime for me at work and I'm having shrimp Alfredo sauce with spaghetti or pasta and can't wait to try it. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. I love shrimp and basically anything seafood. So good. I give myself a 10/10. I don't know about you, I think you'll give me the same, but it's really good. Alright, see you for dinner. Yeah, so I like to eat really light for dinner at home. My policy is basically dessert is dinner. I'm keeping it real here. I do repeat or remodel meals that I've had before. It saves me time, so oats again for breakfast it is. I'm actually going to the office today, so I'm making lunch. Lunch today is Greek pita bread, veggies, and gyro slices. And of course, scrumptious dressing. Don't forget the fruits. Dinner took a while to prepare today. I'm basically making squash soup from scratch. It is my favorite soup to enjoy for fall and winter. I have a whole recipe in the description section on how to make this soup. Hump day! We are starting today with my favorite breakfast, pancakes! With honey, strawberries, and Nutella. For lunch, I had a Parmesan Alfredo sauce and spaghetti. For dinner, I had tea and a wafer cookie. Squash soup again, but for breakfast. A heavy meal of rice, garbanzo beans, tomato sauce, and cheese for lunch. And yogurt for dinner. Cooking is one of the skills that I'm ever grateful to my mom for, literally saving me money in this expensive city. Lunch was mashed potatoes, broccoli, tomatoes, and cheese. Of course, with fruits on the side. For dinner, I cheated a bit and ordered desserts from my favorite shop, Martha's Bakery. Here I ordered a caramel cake slice with strawberry on top for $7. I started my breakfast with oats again because I had to be somewhere in the afternoon.
Hello, the three Powerpuff Girls hanging out.
The Asher sisters take New York. First stop, Columbia University.
Yes, we're going right now.
Then I hung out with my sisters. We didn't have lunch, so our dinner was gonna be lit and heavy. Dinner was at the best Nigerian restaurant I have been to in the US, Lagos Lounge.
I can never find nobody like you, my baby. Oh, hit him one time, yeah.
There, they serve delicious empanadas or meat pies, non-alcoholic Guinness malt, jollof rice with stewed meat, fried plantain, fried rice with stewed meat, and much more. My meal cost around $35.
Number one, won't you be my number one? Number one, number one.
It's fascinating to see how one meal costs me 3 or 4 days of eating at home, which gives you a visual proof on how much I save from eating in. On Sunday, I enjoyed some leftovers and then went grocery shopping later that day. And that is how to do $10 a day in New York City. If I can do it, you can do it too. Stay tuned for more. Check out my blog post where I shared a breakdown of average grocery items cost in New York City and the places that I buy halal meats. Link is in the description. How do you save for food where you live? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Ciao, hasta luego.